Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a checkbox green color using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my checkbox and I'll say this checkbox color green color. Go form option this menu bar and here you will find this select option. Click on this select annotation and drag your mouse select multiple or specific one. Now select appearance option and select a text color. Here you will find this various green color. Also you can see border color, you can make it green and medium and colors and see this checkbox is now green color, also border color. Also I will make this one as green color and see this, and border color not changing. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.